planning for a wedding and confused about the destination? Well, fret no more. Today we're diving into the romantic, the exotic, the breathtakingly beautiful world of wedding destinations. So buckle up and prepare to be whisked away on a journey of enchanting locations where you could potentially say, I do. First on our list is the land of romance, France. Imagine exchanging vows in an opulent chateau nestled among the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux, or under the glittering lights of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. France is synonymous with love, and its diverse landscapes provide a plethora of options for a dream wedding. From the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera to the snow-capped peaks of the Alps, France tantalizes with its gourmet cuisine, world-class wines, and rich culture. Next, we journey to the captivating islands of Greece. From Santorini's famous blue dome churches overlooking the Aegean Sea to the ancient ruins of Athens, Greece offers a unique blend of history, culture, and stunning natural beauty. Imagine saying I do as the sun sets over the sea, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange. Greek cuisine, renowned for its fresh and flavorful ingredients, ensures your wedding feast will be one to remember. Our third destination takes us to the tropical paradise of Bali, Indonesia. With its white sandy beaches, lush green rice terraces, and stunning clifftop temples, Bali is the epitome of exotic. The island's rich cultural heritage, combined with its luxury resorts and world-class service, makes it a popular choice for couples seeking a unique and unforgettable wedding experience. The fourth stop on our journey is the majestic landscapes of New Zealand. For those who prefer the great outdoors, New Zealand offers a stunning backdrop of mountains, lakes, and beaches. Picture a lakeside ceremony with the Remarkables mountain range in the background, or a beach wedding with the sounds of the Pacific Ocean lapping against the shore. New Zealand's friendly locals and laid-back lifestyle add to its charm as a wedding destination. Finally, we arrive in Italy, a country that exudes romance and charm. Whether it's a grand wedding in a Florentine palace, a rustic ceremony in a Tuscan vineyard, or a stylish event on the glamorous Amalfi Coast, Italy is sure to captivate. Renowned for its art, culture, and world-class cuisine, Italy promises a wedding experience that is as rich and vibrant as its heritage. In conclusion, each of these 5 destinations, France, Greece, Bali, New Zealand, and Italy, offers something unique. France tempts with its gourmet cuisine and romantic cityscapes. Greece enchants with its blend of history and stunning natural beauty. Bali offers an exotic paradise with a rich cultural heritage. New Zealand appeals with its majestic landscapes and relaxed lifestyle, and Italy captivates with its charm and world-class cuisine. Each location provides a beautiful backdrop for your special day, making your wedding not just an event, but an experience that will be remembered for a lifetime.